My name is Tushar Hazra. I have been in the academia as well as in the industry for 30 plus years. I have taught in multiple universities, including my current assignment as an adjunct faculty at Johns Hopkins University.
How has your experience been using uCertify as an instructor?
uCertify provides number of assets. Number one, the material. Number two, their ability to share experience-based knowledge. And number three, it's easy to use. I use it not necessarily for my university use, but I think in most cases, even in the practice in my consulting and going to the customers and helping them with advice and support, I find uCertify extremely valuable to me and to my clients and students.
Have you noticed any improvements in student performance or engagement due to uCertify?
That is a really good question. I have, experienced along with my students a lot of improvements over the last few years. I have been introduced to uCertify almost 5, maybe 7 years ago. And since then, I have stayed in touch with uCertify, did not manage to use everything from the beginning. However, over the time, I've seen improvements in terms of the quality of the material, also the type of, instructors that provide the training, and most of the time using online-based solutions that uCertify offer is really out of this world. It provides world-class examples and solutions that most of my students or participants in my training and educational programs benefit tremendously from uCertify.
What do your students say about their experience with uCertify?
This is another very good question. Although it is tough to get, really pleasing reference or recommendation or even, satisfaction from my students. They always look for more. And, much more than getting what they like, they always have, more needs that they want. So I always bring some of my feedbacks and I try to understand what exactly the students are looking for. One thing I have heard from my students that they find it easy to navigate through uCertify. In one situation, I actually have led the students to get their own account with uCertify. This is something I did for two reasons. One, it helped the student to get the experience from the beginning to the end. They would be the one who is interacting with the course. And they would be the one who also handles any issues and challenges they face with uCertify. In this particular situations, the student or the individual that I have asked to go to uCertify actually wrote me a nice email saying that he enjoyed every bit of education and learning through uCertify. And he, in fact, asked me if there is any way I could bring uCertify to the university. Currently, I'm having some discussion with the university to see how that can be arranged. But again, my students are always really, really happy when I introduce them to uCertify.
How easy was it for you to learn and get started with uCertify?
The question is really, about my ability to, learn from uCertify and then share those experience with my students. So I divide this question in two parts. When it comes to me, I always try to stay ahead of the curve. Like for example, AI, I started working on it before others really got into it, mainly because I wanted to share with everybody my experience, my knowledge, and any lessons that I learned in using AI. uCertify was one of the prime example for me who brought a lot of those expertise, and I learned from it. When it comes to sharing with my students, I find it easy to navigate as well. I also have recently discussed this with the sales team at uCertify, and we are also getting a lot more involved. Hopefully, this is going to be a continuous learning process, and I look forward to some of the modifications and updates that we need to make to our learning process and the system.
How has uCertify improved your teaching workflow or helped you manage your time more effectively?
The time management, I don't want to say that it has improved, but I would tell you this much that it has taken part of my load in terms of the time management in teaching. When I need right knowledge base, I need information that I can share with my students without working too hard. I rather would share my experience with my students than creating all the material and the content. This is where uCertify really, hits the ball out of the park. So I find it extremely useful to have uCertify on my side.
Would you recommend uCertify to other instructors?
It's not just recommending. I would actually like to be someone who can help them getting on with uCertify, because I now have enough knowledge to be dangerous. I can navigate through the system. I can help them learn which, how to do the search for right courses that they can use, how that can be customized, and even have direct contact with everyone here at uCertify. I find it extremely valuable for others to leverage whatever little I know. Even though I'm an instructor, I don't know everything, and I admit it openly. So when others struggle with their instructions or teaching, I find that joining, hands and our brain power really definitely helps. And I'm in a position where I can, connect with other instructors and professionals who want to utilize uCertify, and I can definitely make the inroads into getting the most benefits and advantages from using uCertify.